The Gotransverse Mediation service streamlines the process of turning raw usage data into billable charges. It automatically collects and formats your event records, ensuring they're ready for the Gotransverse rating system. From there, the charges flow seamlessly into the billing engine, where they're applied to customers' accounts and reflected on invoices, saving you time, reducing errors, and improving billing accuracy. This is a 4-step process. The first step in the mediation service is to import raw data into our service database. From there, it moves to normalization, where ingested records are filtered and converted to a Gotransverse standard format. This moves to mediation that performs business logic, executes further enrichment, or applies other business rules. Finally, this moves into our rating engine that takes these successfully mediated records and hands them to our rating service for guiding and pricing. We get to mediation through the waffle menu, which is bound by our roles and authority service. This brings us to the mediation screen, where the list of available job streams defined by Python or SQL scripts govern normalization and mediation. The Gotransverse implementation and customer success teams collaborate with you to set the rules for filtering, correlation, aggregation, and bifurcation of ingested records. Configuration specifies the SFTP or Amazon S3 file location and the execution schedule. The service can also email billing admins as files are processed to help monitor record fallout. Once configured, the stream is ready to run. I have a file on our FTP server, so I'll execute the stream and watch the results. Our mediation service processes quickly, and this file is small, which will finish in moments. I'll start by going to the Run Manager, creating a new job, and selecting the stream. I can add a name to it. And then decide where I'm going to pause. I can pause after every step and allow for manual movement of the record, or I can let this go through to the end. In this case, I'm just going to submit and then watch for the steps. Right now, it's already created the record, and by the time I hit refresh, it's gone through created, ingested, normalized, mediated, and then into rating. Let's walk our way through the steps. We have ingested and imported 2 records. We walk through our normalization step and we see those 2 records were bifurcated into 38 records. We can see that there was no normalization failures, and then it moves to the mediation step. Again, the same 38 records were mediated and there were no failures. Now, I've gone into rating, where I've only rated 10 of the records with the remaining records failing. We can see why they failed, and this gives us the opportunity to review the errors, make any corrections, and then, if I need to, continue rating the file. For that, I would go back, click on this, and decide whether I'm rolling back the entire file or, after I fix the error, just resending the unrated records. Once this step is complete, all records are rated and on the accounts available for reviewing the pending charges. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please let us know.